எத்தனை வாட்டி நான் சன் நியூஸ்ல பார்த்தேன்.
Oh my god, it's been like 1 week since I filmed anything in my camera or my phone. I missed it a lot. I was a FOMOing max. I also felt like it was much needed because that's when I realized how much I am actually filming on day-to-day basis. Slept only at like 5 AM last night because I was up doing a short video for my assignment. It was like supposed to be like a PowerPoint presentation, and then I had to record myself speaking via Zoom. So I just had to upload that, and I felt like I cannot handle the stress in the morning. Yeah, yesterday that's what I did. I sat and I tried to submit my assignment in the morning, and I was so stressed, and I just feel like it was not worth it, that much of stress. So I just decided I will just stay up and finish the assignment last night, which was a great idea because I then filmed a dance video. It's like a TikTok dance video basically. Right now 12:15, and today is going to be a pakka reset refocus day because I have my laundry to done. And then first up, I finished my room because I can't process if my room is not clean. That's what I first had to do. But yeah, I'm just planning to step out a little bit to return the book that I was previously reading. If you guys watched my previous reset vlog, I would have gone to the city library and I borrowed this book. I actually finished this much of the book only, which is not even half. But the issue that I had is this book was getting very, very dark for me, and I'm a person who reads books before I go to sleep, and this was kind of messing up my sleep. And I just knew that I tried reading a couple of more pages, but it kept getting more dark. And it's a perfect thriller. It's a good book, that's why it's doing that to me. But I feel like I don't have the energy in me right now to actually complete this book, so I might like borrow this book later if I ever get a chance. I'm going to return this book and get a new book, and for that I'm going to first do all these work, eat my lunch, and then head out. So yeah, let's see how that goes. So for lunch, I'm going to be making this chicken noodle simmer soup. I actually got like 3 variants of this, and it's pretty good. A gravy kind of thing for when I'm like, I don't know what else to do now. Like I don't have tomatoes and stuff, so this decided I'm gonna make this like rice. I'm just gonna make the rice. Taste test. So actually this turned out to be more of a soup than a gravy. But now in the last week I had the cream of chicken soup. That actually turned out to become like a gravy, so I could have expected this also to be, but it tastes good. It's like sophisticated chicken rasam. Guys, it's good, it's yum. So it's currently like 3 p.m. right now. So actually my whole plan changed. I don't think I'll be going to the library today because we are going for Avesham. My parents went yesterday and I know I've been seeing it all over Instagram and I so badly wanted to watch the movie. So I'm finally going for my first movie over here. I feel like if I go to the library and come now, it would just be too much of a hassle because I have to leave here by like 5:30ish because it's a quite far from here, theater. I just don't want to rush myself with that. So I'm going to edit in Procreate for my photo dump for April for both of my pages. Oh, by the way, I didn't mention this to you guys, but I have a new Instagram page called Study with Ads. I basically started 2 years ago with a different name, and it was just, I just wanted to be anonymous and post like quotes and stuff, but then I realized I also wanted to make like study vlogs and study related content, specifically on one particular Instagram, not just on YouTube, and I felt like it doesn't fit into Aadhya completely. So I wanted to like start a new one, so I just changed the name and tried to change the layout and everything. So yeah, I'm going to post my first ever photo dump in over there that's related to studying, obviously. So I'm going to like do some doodling on Procreate and try to make it cute.
It is one of the hardest things I've ever had to do.
So you know, here at the executive line, commitments must be made.
Good morning. Good morning. It's the next morning and I have to leave in like 10 minutes. This is what I'm having for breakfast. It's a piece of toast with some cucumber and like cheese spread on it. I actually like this combination. So I have a class today at like 11 p.m. till 1, and after that I was planning to go to the library to get the book and get like a new one. Basically just getting ready. I'm so disoriented because I think I had a good night's sleep, but it also wasn't sufficient, so I'm just like this zombie and I don't really know what the hell I'm doing. That's why I'm also like dressed up in like a basic t-shirt. Like I just don't have the mood to do anything. It's currently very sunny and bright. At the same time, cold in Brisbane. It's like 22 degrees, which is not technically cold in so many other countries. But the wind is there. Wind வந்து நல்ல cold-ஆ வருது. And it's like super bright, so I need to wear my glasses. With that lack of sleep and all, நான் அப்படியே கண்ணாடி போடாம போனேனா I can't even imagine my நிலைமை. Okay, I finished eating my breakfast. I just put on கொஞ்சம் concealer over here because இல்லைனா ரொம்ப zombie look வந்து வரல தெரியுது. I'm wearing the Rare Beauty's lip oil in the shade Delight. It's actually very nourishing and that's what I need. For some reason my lip is like super dry and it looks like weird, so a lip oil is exactly what I need. Okay, I'm gonna wear these silver hoops. No chain though, and this watch. That's all. This is my outfit. It's clean. That's all. I'm ready to go. I'm gonna wear my glasses. And okay, See you, bye-bye.